Last Thursday, a JP Morgan analyst was fired for one reason: he emailed clients about Nahj al-Balagha's Chapter 31. Why? Because Hazrat Ali revealed money rules that bypass banks completely. Take Fatima, a nurse who erased $120,000 debt in 3 years using these 7th century strategies while her colleagues remained trapped in 30-year mortgages. Modern banks charge 20% interest on credit cards because they know the average American dies with $62,000 debt, Federal Reserve 2024. Hazrat Ali warned, debt is slavery in disguise. Islamic banks using his principles have 1/3 the default rates of conventional banks, proof that interest-free systems work. Hazrat Ali taught Mudaraba, profit sharing, where you invest $10,000 in a halal business and split earnings fairly. Example, Omar invested in a date farm, he gets $4,010,000 became $92,000, no interest, just pure profit sharing. Never borrow for things that lose value. A $50,000 luxury car loses $15,000 in year 1. That same $50,000 in rental property earns $1,000 per month. Hazrat Ali said, wealth grows where roots run deep, meaning invest in assets that appreciate. Divide income like Hazrat Ali advised: essentials jar, 50% needs only, investment jar, 30% business and real estate, charity jar, 20% zakat sadaqah. A 2023 study found that users save 42% more than budgeters. Hazrat Ali taught, true wealth is what remains after disaster. Stress test yours: if you lost income today, could you survive 6 months? Sarah, a teacher, keeps 12 months' expenses in gold dinars, the inflation-proof currency Hazrat Ali recommended. Card al-Hazna, interest-free loans, saved Ahmed's restaurant during COVID when banks refused help. He repaid $20,000 and now employs 15 people. Hazrat Ali said, the strongest economy lifts all boats, exactly what interest destroys. Hazrat Ali prioritized learning over luxury, spend on education, not decoration. Aisha invested in coding courses instead of a new car. Now she earns $15,000 per month remotely, proof that Hazrat Ali's knowledge economy beats keeping up with neighbors. Modern heirs fight over 70% of inheritances, Forbes 2024. Hazrat Ali solved this: document everything and give gifts while living. Uncle Mahmood gave his kids properties gradually, now they run a $3 million family business without court battles. Fatima now teaches these rules to single moms. Will you be next? Smash like if you're done with bank traps. Subscribe to Hazrat Ali's business secrets that made Amazon beg. And live by his motto: build wealth that honors both worlds.